Sandpoint, Idaho is one of the busiest railroad junctions in the Pacific Northwest, a merger point for the BNSF Railway's mainline track and the Montana Rail Link before spanning Lake Pend Oreille as a single track. Significant congestion on the track and roadways required a solution to keep train traffic moving and improve commerce through the Pacific Northwest. The project, designed by Hansen Professional Services, consists of a new 2.5-mile-long second main track with a new 4,800-foot-long bridge. To construct the bridge adjacent to the existing active rail bridge required an innovative, environmentally conscious approach. The team used bridge monitoring technology and specialized construction techniques to avoid disrupting the lake, fish, and existing bridge. Incorporating efficiencies and sustainable elements into the design, working to protect natural habitats, and addressing the needs and concerns of the community allowed the project team to complete this capacity improvement nearly a year ahead of schedule, meeting BNSF's goal to keep Sandpoint rolling. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the BNSF Sandpoint Junction Connector as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.